Hi guys, this is an unboxing video for the new gadget. I have with me is a JLab's Bluetooth earbuds which has a boom mic. Yes, a Bluetooth earbud with a boom mic. This is specially made for callings, if you want to attend meetings on the go, this is your go-to product. Let's check this out if it's worth or not. I ordered these from Amazon, but shipping was very slow. I got these in like 10 days. Where does it open? The size looks quite bulky. Okay, it does not have a boom mic in the earbuds. Where's the boom mic? What? Okay, it's here. I think we have a lot more here. So these are the Bluetooth earbuds. This is left and this is the mic. It says you can plug it on any side, right, left. Okay, I've connected the earbuds, charged them, and now is the real test. How is the audio quality? Is this a real truly wireless earbuds or not? So I'm in the quiet room right now, but we'll test it outside also. How is it in the gym? How is it in the traffic? So let's test if this boom mic thing is actually working on the Bluetooth earbuds or not. Truly speaking, this is a bit heavy for the earbud, but we'll use for a couple of days and then we'll give you another review.